Everything Notion launched at Make with Notion. First, Notion Mail. Email hasn't evolved much over the years, and Notion Mail reimagines the inbox to match your workflows. Instead of an endless cluttered inbox, you can create custom views that organize messages by topics like recruiting, project updates, and customer support. It is also powered by AI to handle the repetitive stuff, helping you stay focused on what really matters. Next, two new building blocks, forms and layouts. Forms makes it easy to collect information directly in Notion, whether it's RSVPs for an event or customer feedback. Just create a form, share it, and the responses automatically fill into a database where you can sort and analyze all in Notion. Layouts allow for a fully customized page experience. You can now adjust the layout of any page to fit its purpose, whether it's a recipe database, a social media calendar, or a project tracker. Instead of one size fits all design, you get complete flexibility to create layouts that work best for each unique project. Notion has improved automations and added new AI capabilities. With automations, you can trigger actions like sending an email via Gmail when a database entry is updated. Then there's the Notion AI, which has also leveled up. This AI can search across tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Notion itself. It generates content, edits, and even analyzes PDFs and images. Another major launch is Marketplace. This is Notion's newly redesigned home for templates, giving creators more control and insights into their templates with tools like native payments, analytics, and better security. Template users can see reviews, ratings, and even request refunds through a more streamlined process. So, that's everything new from Make with Notion. If you want to know how to share pages in Notion, then you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in a new video.